Okay, what's going on, guys? It's Nando back with one more video. Thanks for stopping by and check what we unboxing today. Oh man, I'm excited. Dji Osmo Action. So similar to the Dji Osmo Pocket, different because this is more action-based form factor. A couple tricks up its sleeve in order to fight the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which I have, and I will be doing a comparisons video with. So obviously, if you're watching this video, you've probably watched other videos regarding this stuff. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button at any point throughout the video if you're enjoying it. And also, I will have the links to both this and the equipment I'm using, as well as the Hero 7 Black in the links below. So you know where to find it if you need to check that out. So basically, this is just going to be a quick unboxing video. I know that I'm sweating like crazy because I was just outside playing around with my Hero 7 Black. So I don't know how to really go about explaining why one would want this one versus, for example, the Hero 7 Black. The Hero 7 Black is amazing. It's amazing. These days you can get it for about $250, $280, right around there. Hyper smooth stabilization, changed the game when it comes to stabilization in an action camera, period, as well as something that small, that form factor. So DJI had released the Pocket, Osmo Pocket, which is really cool. Has a front-facing screen, some really cool tricks up its sleeve. And then that has an actual gimbal stabilization, which digital cannot compete with actual an actual gimbal. So that is what it is. However, with the way technology has improved these days, look at the hyper smooth that the Hero 7 comes out with. So real quick before we go ahead and open up everything inside of this. So pricing, $349 if you're in the United States. That's $50 cheaper than the Hero 7 Black. But again, you can find the Hero 7 Black for cheaper than probably even the Osmo Action right now. Another cool thing, it has all the same accessories. So in other words, the same stuff that you use for your GoPro, your accessories, your mounts are going to work with the with the Osmo Action. And I think that was completely something that DJI thought of, so someone doesn't have to go out and buy proprietary DJI equipment. So that's cool. They've got some ND filters coming out for it. And the most important thing about this guy is the front-facing screen. So early hands-on, early reviews have shown that it's a hit or miss. Some people like it, some people don't like it. Honestly, I think I'll like it. Just the fact that I'll be able to see myself and frame myself, that never hurts. But in comparisons to, does this do things that the Hero 7 Black does not do, and whether it's worth your money to buy this and replace your Hero 7 Black, is more the video that this is going to be about, because I have the Hero 7 Black. Obviously, if you don't have either or, then you're in good shape, because either one you get, you're going to be fine with. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this, taking a look at this. And then next video, I'm going to do likes and dislikes, final review, and then comparisons. So subscribe for those videos. Hot in here. Ugh. Woo! Camera. Check that out. See what I'm talking about when I say same mounts? See that? That's cool stuff. Feels good in the hand so far. Oh, one big thing here, a huge difference. I don't have my Hero 7 Black on me right now, but a huge difference is this. See that? That is where the battery goes. So apparently the battery connects to the cover. So if you remove the battery, the cover goes. I don't like that, especially if your battery goes bad and you only have one battery. Then what? I mean, sure, if your battery goes bad and you only have one battery, then how do you use it anyways? However, I just don't like that. I don't like that this is going to be exposed. If you don't have a battery in it, then this is completely open. I don't like that. So let's put that aside. And then you're supposed to get some mounts and some other stuff. Okay. Traditional GoPro style mount right here, as you can see, right? Curvy one. Circle one. right? This is the battery case. See that? Battery case. And then you've got your battery inside with the door. I don't like that, but whatever. And then USB-C charger, which is cool. And then a thing to tap to the thing. So my thought process on this, I think that if DJI does a good job with its software and does a good job with updating its camera, I think that GoPro is going to have to sweat a little bit, just as bad as I am, in order to beat something like this. Because right now, we're living in an era where everybody wants to see themselves. Everybody wants to see what they're filming, but more importantly, they want to see themselves in the setting that they're filming. And if you look at the Hero 7 Black, they have a small little screen, but that screen only tells you settings. So why not at least put a screen that shows you what you're looking at? My concern right now is the lag. I've seen videos in which people say that when they move their hands, then it takes like 2 seconds for it to happen. And then in actual post, or when you're watching it back, it doesn't lag like that. But when you're interacting with it live, that lag is going to be annoying. However, I think that this camera right here, the price point, I think DJI is coming at GoPro very, very heavily. It's great for consumers because GoPro is going to have to drop a screen on their 8 Black, etc., etc. And that's just better for consumers. But anyways, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this camera. Are you considering getting one? Do you have a Hero 7 Black? Which one are you leaning towards? How do you feel about either? Do you have an Osmo Pocket? And then let's talk. Like always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, maybe even hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next videos. Nando, peace, salute, and adios.